Hey everyone, welcome to the next topic. Now in this topic, we will do an exercise and in this video, we will make a 3D object and transform it into an animated object which will give the video a new and great look. Like we will make great looking objects which are actually useful and not simple objects like a circle. You can see that I already created rectangles or circles. If you are using Illustrator, then you can just grab and drop that file only if you know how to use Illustrator. But I won't show you about that. In this I will show you how to make icons, better looking icons basically. So I have this icon which I want to import. Like here we have a download icon option which I simply took and now we will drop it here and increase its size, but the quality isn't that good. But we will just trace it. We trace the object to make it 3D. When I get to basically, we will take our pen tool and this I will just trace it. According to that. Like this very slowly and easily like this. It is very simple. Then like this. You can make it quite easily. Actually, I'm showing you all a simple way. There you go with that. Now you can see something like clouds have been made. I will color this with light blue. This looks good. You can see that our simple shape is created. Actually, if you make it using Illustrator, then the finishing will be good basically. Now I will remove this. Then I have this arrow. It is very simple to make arrow. Just click on this. I will select this one, then click on this, then this, then this. I will color this red. Now we have two shapes. As you can see that, these are the two shapes. I will leave this image as it is not being used. Now I will make some changes so that you know it will look better. I think now that looks great. Okay, well, it's not having proper finishing now, but sort of anything, it will build up as you use it and adjust accordingly. If you use Illustrator, you will get a better finish, but I will not concentrate on finishing. I want to tell you all something else. We already made the cloud. Let me just add lastly, like this if I click this and pull this side, it makes a curve here, and similarly if I pull here, then it makes a curve here like this. Let's keep it till here only. Basically, I will make this into 3D. To create this in 3D, just click on this icon and this icon. Both objects are created in 3D. And one has been pushed back. Actually, you can see that there is a camera here from which you can see that. I will increase the geometry objects depth little by 25 and then 25 of the other one too. Then if I close this, it's an active camera. So if you look at the right side, you can see both the object. The object has been submerged in the other actually. That's why we can't see. So I will change its x-axis. Then you can see the arrow object. Now you can see both objects in the right way. With this you can change their location in the right way. Now the top view. And then the bottom view is here. You can see the 3D geometry object. This is an active camera. So this is in the front. If I have to stick these together, then I just have to take the right view and click here and pull till it sticks together. Let me do one thing again here. We can adjust this a little bit more. I think that is great. Now it's parallel. So I am gonna look at the front view. Yes, it looks like that. Now I will make it fit. And it looks like a 3D shape. I will change its depth. I will increase the depth of the object by I think 70 would be good. And I will increase the depth of my first object by 70 something. I will move this to the front so you can see its depth from left, your right view. If you want to merge these two videos, like if you want to merge these two objects into one, we have to make a null object. We have not talked about null objects yet, but I will show you in this about null objects. Null objects are empty objects in which you can add anything. Basically, this is called a null object, and an empty object just create a null object like this as shown. We will make this one also in 3D cause all our other objects are 3D. I will hold shift and select these two shapes as you can see. I will link these both and add them to the null object. Now you see that it has been merged. So if I move the null object, the other shapes merged will also move together. It's full, that's why it's looking like this. I will make it quarter and change its angle. So it looks like this. I mistakenly moved the shapes. We don't have to do that. We should just move those null objects. What we have to do is we will choose the options transform and we have to rotate this. We have to do the rotation from the x-axis, but it's going upside down. So now we have to do the rotation from the y-axis. So what I will do is I will choose this and make the y-axis rotation as keyframe like this. I will move this forward and at something like 8 seconds. I will rotate this to 180, no maybe 360. So it takes a specific rotation, so 360-degree rotation is done. As you can see, this is lagging here. So I will change the keyframe here to make it better. Like this it will create a rotation. Here if I copy this keyframe and paste it here, I guess it will make a rotation backward. Like this, first from the front, then backward. This is how you can animate it. The animation is done here. As you can see that green bar if it completes, the load doesn't lag. If its loading is completed, then it won't lag. So here we have completed the animation. For give it to look better, you already know about light. So we will just go to the layer, then choose new, then add lights. So we will add lights and I will move this back from here and move it close towards the object from the side. Like this, I will move this back from here. Now we will look at the light properties. We will choose light options and increase their intensity and then increase its cone angle, which just makes a little difference in the shape. Then in the material option, what I will do is I will cast a shadow that is off. They accept shadows and others are on, so it is good. So now I will increase its dowel depth. I increased it fully for like 100 would be good. Then we will go to shape the layer and increase something like 100 and change this to 10. Now after applying the lights, you can see that the object is looking so good. Now this is what we made, but this is not glowing. So if you wanted to make it glowy, we go into this effect and search for the glow. Here we have VR glow. So I will add glow in the object. So it looks good. This is how you can make a 3D object and animate it like this. And you can see that it looks so good. I will make some changes to the sides. Now this looks good. In the next topic, we will jump into the next section, which is our title section. In further videos, you will see title, text, graphics, and other things in the next section. Let's jump into the next section. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and share the video.